Today we're checking out this 2020 Toyota Highlander, third row. And you go to put your seats down flat, and then you notice this guy's in the way. But we have a solution right up here. So the first thing we need to do is get these seats up. We go inside. You're always gonna have this middle piece here. Now, if you look on the back side, there's that little orange piece. Click it right into that orange piece. Gets this guy right out. Now you wanna retract this all the way up. This will click right in up here. I go to lower my seats. Nothing in the way. Sometimes it's just the little things that make all the difference. That's why you should stop in and see why everyone loves a new car.